Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My name is Trust. This afternoon, I'm going to show you how to check your children result online and see some have access to the dashboard as a parent to know what is going on in the school. So the first thing you do is that either in your PC, in your phone, you download Google Chrome. In that Chrome, I have mine in the PC. You just go straight to goldenislandschools.com.ng. Just enter. Then the portal will open. So waiting for a couple of seconds for the portal to open. Now it has opened. Then here you see the menu. You have home, academics, about us, portals, admission, then student and parent login. This one is staff login. If you use staff login, you can never see results. So you stick to student and parents login. Then in this case, I'm going to go to login, click on it to log me in. And now it has opened. Then I will enter the credentials. So I will use Mr. Aremu as a parent to check her daughter result. Then I'm going to log in. After I'm logging in right away. I'm logging in. Okay. So it has logged me in. So in that play, the name of the student is Aremu Aishat Oyinkansola. So and the ID, the school is Golden Islands College. Session is 2022-2023 academic session. So our class is SS3. Then the session of admission is 2020 and 2021. Then this is the admission number, and this is enrollment number, and this is roll number. So I'll go straight then to see whether we are sure whether this is a student. Let us look at the ID. Let us look at the student ID. You can see a picture is appearing. So if you are the father or the mother of Oyinkansola Aishat, you can know that this is your daughter, and this is the authority signature on the ID. You can even print this ID card out anytime you want. Then we'll go back. Then we have the fee invoice, all the school fees you have paid. You have done that online, everything will appear here. Then the fee structure, the payment history, and this is notice board. Assuming the school authority want to notify the entire parent what is going on in the school, like end of the year party, or even to remind you of the school fees and some other information. Then class timetable, to know the subject your daughter is doing in school or your son is doing in school in a particular day. Then we have the exam results. Then we have attendance report. Now what concerns us right now is exams result. Then I will click on it to see how we're going to check the exam result. And it has opened there. We scroll down. Then in this place you're going to have view. If you click on view, you're going to see half result. So don't bother to view half result. Go straight to exam key. Click on key. Then the result will open on the browser. Then right now the test is very tiny, so I will increase the test to 150%. Then from there I will just move down so it's bold enough for us to see. So let us go on. So this is the name of the school, the logo of the school, and everything about the school is here. Then name Aishat Oyinkansola Aremu. Then I will now go down. This is the seal of the school, and the student is GSS3. Student number is number 2. So let us go on and look at the result. Then the first result is mathematics, and the teacher is Mr. Tufumi. And the continuous assessment, the student scored 36/40. That was brilliant. The exam she scored 46/60. Then the cumulative score is 92. Then the aggregate before now is 92. In the previous exam she scored 92. So the average is 92. She has A. And the class average 52. Then at the end of the day, our CGP for second term is 5.0, third term is 5.0. Then the cumulative CGP is 5.0. The same thing is applicable to the rest of the result if you go down. Then let us go down to see what the school authority said about her. They say, Aishat, the result is very good. Please keep it up. Aisha shows persistent adherence to good behavior. She is promoted to SS1. Then if you go down here, you discover that the CGP is 4.51. If she is to be in the university, she will be a first class student. You can see the director of the school signature, and you can see the teacher signature here. So this is exactly how to check the school result. So if you want to have a copy for family history, you want to keep it in your file, the best form of saving your data is to keep in a digital form, then you download it. When you download it, although anytime after you want to see the result, you can still come here and see the result. So I will download it, then I'll create a folder. The folder, I will create a new folder. I will say my children result. My children result. My children result. So once I'm done with this, I will name it. I will just say Aishat Aremu result. '2022 through 2023 top 10 exam. So this, anytime you want to check this result, this is the result, then you save. So the result is saved. And if I want to open it anytime, either in my PC or in my phone, I will just open this. So this is the folder. I will just click on it to open. So as it open here, you can expand it. Here is 92%. We'll just move it to probably 150%. So you can see it's already here. It's clear. So you can have this as a copy. So this is how you do this. So if you want to move out of this place and go back, if you have more than one child attending the same school, you can check all their result on this single portal, and everything, all the history will show. Then if you want to go back to the portal menu to see what is going on, you just click back button, and it will take me to where we are coming from. So this back button. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how we stop. For more information, you can contact the school authority to guide you about this. Thank you very much.